This is a boat that came in and he was having some running issues. First of all, that vent needs to be open when you're running it because his tank was blown up and wasn't vented. He also was complaining that the trim wasn't working right and he needed trim fluid. So we put some trim fluid in it, but still nothing happens because the motor's not working. And I'm sure it has to do with something here. But he said just wriggle the black wire and it works. So, well, we couldn't figure out which black wire to wiggle, so it is not working. Also, his fuel line was pinched. I've got a picture of it, but his fuel line was pinched at a 90-degree angle right there. He wasn't getting any flow. But still, that's not where we are. So go ahead and start it. Go ahead and start again. Bring the idle up just a little bit. I don't think that side's doing anything. So it's probably a carburation issue. His compression was good and his spark was good.